Hi there, hello everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of Google Colab. Google Colab is a powerful online platform that lets you code and experiment with Python in the cloud without any installation required. Okay, whether you are a beginner or an experienced coder, Google Colab has something for everyone. Okay, so let's get started. Okay. So, what is Google Colab? Okay, so first thing first, what exactly is Google Colab? Well, Google Colab, short for Collaboratory, is a cloud-based platform provided by Google. Okay, that allows you to write, execute, and share Python code seamlessly, like having a virtual coding environment that you can access anywhere. All you need to have an internet connection. So, okay, let's open Google Colab. Okay, it's a cloud-based platform provided by the Google. Okay, so let's open. Let's go to Google and in Google search, let's type Google Colab. Okay, Google Colab. So this is our Google Colab. Okay, if you look at the screen here, okay, so this is the home page of Google Colab. So I got a pop up here like examples. We have examples, okay, charts in collaboratory example, external data, like we can have the data from Drive sheets and cloud storage. Okay, getting started with the BigQuery forms, okay, data table, accessing files. Okay, so these are all the examples for some Python programs where we can experiment with. Okay, and okay, the key features. Okay, the key features of and benefits of Google Colab. Okay, so let's talk about some of the amazing features that makes Google Colab a must-try tool for every coder out there. Okay, free GPU. Okay, free GPU. One of the most impressive features, like let me type also. Okay, Google Colab. Google Colab. So the one of the best feature of the features. Okay, the features of Google Colab. Okay, the features of Google Colab. Okay, free GPU. Okay, so one of the most impressive features is that Google Colab offers a free access to a GPU. GPU is nothing but graphics processing unit. Okay, graphics processing unit. Okay, which can significantly speed up your code execution. Okay, it speeds up the code execution. Okay, speeds up the code execution for data intensive tasks like machine learning and deep learning. For machine learning and deep deep learning. Okay, machine learning and deep learning. Okay, and the second feature is we can integrate Google Colab to Jupyter notebooks. Jupyter notebooks. Okay, Jupyter notebooks. Okay, Colab. Google Colab is built on the foundation of Jupyter Notebooks. This means you can create documents that combine live code, equations, visualizations, and explanatory text all in one place. Like if you look at the go to Google Jupyter Notebook, how does it look like? Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Notebook. How does it look like? So this is the online Jupyter workspace. Okay, try it in your browser. Jupyter Lab. So this is the Jupyter Notebook where you can write Python code, SQLite code using the Jupyter Notebook. This integration we have in the Google Colab. For example, in the Google Colab, if you click on New Notebook, you will be able to see this interface just like Jupyter. Okay, so here you can write. So so for example, if you want to install some libraries for some libraries in Python, what we need to do, pip, we have to write, we have to put exclamatory and pip install, for example, pandas, okay, and you need to run this, okay. So before running this code, we have to allocate some GPU, okay. So see, so we since we already have pandas here, requirement already satisfied pandas in. So this user Python read distributed packages. This is where we have, okay. For example, print. Let's try pandas dot. I don't know whether it works or not. Import. Model has no name. Okay, let's look into. I think we have to pandas has pd dot. If this don't work, what we can do, pd dot spas, and if you hit control space, you will be able to see the available uh, things here. We can try get versions. Okay, let's try this. It's not working. Let's look into all this later. Okay, so Google Colab has a integration with Jupyter notebooks. Okay, this means we can create documents that combine live code. So everyone, we will virtually collaborate and run the live codes also. So one more thing is it has a pre-install runtime tools, runtime, uh, disconnect. interrupt, manage sessions, view resources, tools, insert, view, restart, runtime, yes. Okay, so this CPU will automatically install here. These are the resources we have: 12.7 GB of RAM and 107.7 GB of disk is allocated from Google to work on Google Colab. Okay, so the third, so we have a Jupyter Notebooks integration. Okay, the third third feature is like we have pre-installed libraries. Pre-installed libraries. Okay, Google Colab comes with a pre-installed popular Python libraries like NumPy. Okay, NumPy, Pandas, Matplot, library lib, and TensorFlow. So we will look into all these libraries in the upcoming videos or sessions. Okay, and so since we have this library, these libraries are pre-installed. We don't need to worry about installations. Okay, we just start coding on the available libraries. Okay, let me just delete it. Okay, the next the next feature is which is provided by Google Colab is collaborative editing. Collaborative editing. Okay, collaborative editing. It's a great for collaboration. So as the name suggests, collaborative editing, Colab, Google Colab, collaboratory. As the name suggests, it's great for collaboration. You can share your Colab notebooks would, just like you would with Google Docs, allowing multiple people to work together in real time. Okay, so you can share your Colab notebooks just like you would do with the Google Docs, and uh, it will allow multiple people to work together in real time. So, uh, work in real time. Okay, real time. And we have one more feature also, that is integration. Integration with Google Drive. We can integrate Google Colab or Google Colab notebooks with Google Drive so that the notebooks are saved in Google Drive. This is not only makes it easy to access our work from different devices, but also it ensures that your progress is automatically saved. Okay, so we can able to access our notebooks from any device from Google Drive, and that also it will allow us to save the work in real time without affecting the data. Okay, this is all about Google Colab. Okay, so let's get started with Google Colab. Okay, all right, all right. Let's jump onto let's jump into some action and see how we can get started with Google Colab. So this is very simple. Let's just go to Google and let's type Google Colab or just type Colab. Okay, and click on this link. Okay, so once this link is if you- once you navigate to Google Colab like colab.research.google.com, you will be landed to this home page, and the interface will look like this. You know, you will see some of the pop-ups. Okay, which includes one of the pop-up, which includes some examples, some recent work which you have done, and the Google Drive connectivity. Okay, so these are the Python files we just created, and these are automatically saved in the Google Drive, and we can connect to GitHub also. Okay, GitHub. For example, I have a dummy GitHub. Okay, let me search GitHub dashboard. Let me click on sign in, sign in. Okay, so desktop tutorial. Okay, what I can do, GitHub, enter a GitHub URL organization or by user. I can just DKMA17. This is my username. Okay. Wow. So if I search this, see, I'm able to get all the repositories here. So, DKMA. Okay, repositories are four. Desktop tutorial, DNK Musica, funny chatbot, my.js. These are the sample things I can able to access here. Okay, where you want to uh, where you want to pull the data from. For example, furniture put from main. Okay, this is where I can and upload. So this is where we can upload some files like if you have some dummy data, or if you have any Excel files or CSV files you want to work with, you can just upload the data here, or else you can upload IPNB files also. Okay, so this is where you can do, and on the left side, okay, on the left side you will see getting started option. So this is just a documentation how you can use Google, how to work with Google Colab. Okay, this is where, and there are some data science also here. So these are the libraries. So if you click run, numpy numpy has number random of 100, x for x in range of length is plot x by x is by x is sample vision. So if you write this sample code, will show you this sample visualization, and this is machine learning with Colab. We can import some image data set, train animation classifiers on it, and evaluate the model. Okay, I'll in just a few lines of code. I'll in just a few lines of code. Okay, using TensorFlow as this one. See, so this runs. For example, you want to use TensorFlow. Let's try. Let's check if the and if you look at the file options, these are the file locate in drive. Okay, you can just collab notebooks. So these are the notebooks which I have created. Google. Okay, in file we have open in playground mode. If you click, we will be able to open this playground, like play, install OCR libraries. Okay, for example, let me go to Google PyTesseract. Okay, PyTesseract. What is PyTesseract? Tesseract is a four-dimensional PyTesseract OCR. PyTesseract. This is Tesseract open source OCR engine. Okay, optical character recognition. Okay, so for example, let's install Tesseract. Tesseract open source Tesseract, and let's we have to connect it. Okay, connect to a hosted runtime. correct way, hosted runtime, local runtime, hosted runtime. Let's take the hosted runtime so that some of the RAM will be given for us and we have to run it. Okay, tesseract. See, this is the preparing. Okay, so what happens? Why tesseract? Okay, successfully installed tesseract. Successfully installed tesseract 0.13. Okay, tesseract package contains OCR engine. Okay, tesseract optical character recognition. It's a free software released in. So what happens? So what we can do? Now we have, where is our Coca-Cola? We have installed this. Okay, let me add one here. Import, import, import tesseract as tr. Okay, so here tr dot by import tr dot open. Do we have this? Let's look at this. Tesseract documentation, result manual. Usage. Okay, this is about Tesseract. This is one of the software we have done. Okay, so this is how we can install the third party libraries into Python. This environment. Okay, let's look into the usage and everything later. And the so these are all the view. Okay, insert runtime. We have run all, run before, run the focus cell. Just click here. Just click this. Okay, and tools we have settings also here. Okay, editor is font size. We can increase the font size. Editor key bindings, monospace, show line numbers, show indentation guides, show corner font. Okay, syntax checking, syntax and type checking. Save. I cannot save. Hmm. So we were able to save a copy of this one. For example, let's close for some time. Then, so on the left side, if you see selection, new section, right, new section. This is your heading. So like, so this is the install. So how you can write is just it is so. See, so we can break this into sections like uh, edit this um, install libraries. Okay, install libraries. Then this one is done. And remove this. Okay. In the new section, edit this. In the new section, uh, import import libraries. Then here, what you can do? Here you can insert a code snippet, right? What you can do? Import uh, tesseract as tr. Like this, we can import the data. So uh, this is how we can uh, break the environment to the some sections. Okay, and on the left side you can just you can see the same some sample data. Okay, sample data. Okay, sample data. Okay, we have this copy path. For example, I will go to new notebook. Okay, I'll go to new notebook. For example, and if you look at this, so these are some you can see the code snippets. Okay, these are some code snippets where you can hiding the code, importing library, install some things. Okay, install pip, install copy. Okay, let's run this. So these are all the sessions we have. That's why it is showing different notifications. Okay, then recording in run. Okay, creating a click on new notebook. Okay, click on new workbook, new notebook. Okay, you can create a new Colab notebook. Okay, you can give a name. Don't choose whether you want the CPU or CPU. Where you can do that here. And the coding in once you are in, you will see a coding cell where you can write. Okay, once you are in, you can see this coding cell where you can write some Python code. Okay, and push what we can do in Jupyter, press Shift Enter. That that will run. Okay, Shift Enter, or we can click this one also. Okay, adding text and markdown. Okay, adding text and markdown. How we can do? You can add text. Okay, and you can add code. Double click to submit it. Okay, I want to add some breaks and the code explain the code. That's why I will use this one. Okay, I want to add some breaks and explain the code. This is where we can use the markdown. Okay, and uploading the data. If you need to work with the data, you can upload the files from our computer directly here. Okay, here files, you can just upload the files here. For example, sales data, task 3, Python. Okay, I have uploaded the data here. Okay, I'm uploading the data, and if you look at here, the files are visible here, and we can show here. Just here also in sample data upload. some Python 1 image. Ensure your files are saved elsewhere. The runtime files will be deleted when the runtime is terminated. Okay, I don't have a problem. So just copy this path. You can use it. Okay. Now, so this is all about the Google Colab. Okay, turn off playground mode. Now we are in playground mode. Okay. Now here connecting it is connecting to a some of one of the runtime. Initializing we got a data here. Okay, in the sample data, what we can do? For example, let's import some data. Okay, we have let's import pandas open CSV. Okay, pandas open CSV. Pandas read CSV. Okay, what we can do? Just go here. We have a CSV file here. Okay, California housing test dot CSV. Okay, what we can do? Import pandas as PD. Okay, import pandas as PD. Now, this is the first line. Let me add the second line. DF. What is DF? DF is nothing but a simple data frame. Okay. And I want to copy this copy path and I want to give this path here. Okay. What happens? Let's run this. First of all, let's run this. Okay. So PD is defined now. Now let's run this. Now this is read. This is done. Now I will print DF. Okay. What happens if I run this? See. This is the data which we have in California housing underscore test dot CSV. Okay. So 3000 rows into 9 columns. We have 9 columns by 3000 rows. Okay. Now what we can do? Print, print. Let's try this df. See, we got just the data. Longitude, latitude, median, total rooms, total bedrooms, 661, and let's copy this. Okay, copy this path, mnist test, mnist test, and let's pass this path here, and let's see what is the data over there. Okay, I don't want to print the df, just I will write a df. Okay, I'll write a df. See, 9999 rows, 785 columns. Okay. Total number of columns 75 exists max column 20 limiting to first columns. Okay. No problem, sir. 2500. Okay. 400. So this is the data we have. Okay. And if you look at California, copy this. Let's run this. Okay. Snippet. And let's try this. Okay. We also got this one. So this is how we can use this one. And this is the pandas, right? Now pandas plotting. Okay, this is what we have df card. For example, let's see if you use this one df dot plot. This is one of the This is one of the function. What does it do? Let's see. See, this is the pandas. Plot is a function which will visualize uh, plot. Okay, visualize scatter plot. These are only some of the visualizations. Okay, kind scatter duration. Okay, so let's pass arguments. Okay, kind comma x comma y. Okay, equal to what we households uh, households. Okay, for x equal to um housing median age. Housing, I don't know what I'm adding, median underscore age, kind equal to, let's add scatter. Okay, this is okay. Let's run this. See, so this is the housing median age. This is how we can visualize the data from CSV using plot function in the pandas. Okay, which is available in pandas. This is how we have. Okay, and bar chart, bar, bar, bar. Kind is histogram. Hist means this is scatter, this is bar chart. Histogram, scatter diagram. And what else we have here? Scatter we have seen. This is bar chart, scatter diagram, bar chart. Let's try bar. Do we have bar here? Something is happening. You can see the status here also. Okay, here. I added something bar. It's working. Okay. Until then, Python OCR library, Python OCR library, extracting text from image, PyTesseract. I heard about PyTesseract. Okay, PyTesseract. Let's install. Okay, let's remove this for some time. Let's add code and let's push this to upper and let's pip dot install PyTesseract. Let me run this. Okay, allow. Successfully installed PyTesseract. I want to import PyTesseract, add pt. Okay, let me run this. Okay, in the meantime I want to load image, load image, Microsoft Power Automate. Okay, my project one png. Okay, let me remove. Okay, this pd dot read from csc pvd. Okay, my project png, this is uploaded. Okay, now after importing after importing this, let's do what pt dot pt dot image to string. Okay, pdf to which was here image to data. Let's write. Okay, pdf image to string. What we have to pass? Image is returns the result of tesseract OCR to run provided image to string. Okay, let's see. Now let me copy this path. Okay, copy this path here and I'll run this. File not found. What is that? File not found. Is that? Tesseract is not installed or it's not in your path. See readme file. Tesseract is also installed. It is already installed. Run. Downloading Tesseract file. Preparing. This is done. Let's run this and let's run this. A py, no such file or directory, file not found error. So let's search in Stack Overflow, Pytesseract not found error, Tesseract is Pytesseract image to string. Okay, let's try this. Okay, instead of doing that from il image, okay, after this im equal to image dot open here, copy this. Now pt dot image to string image underscore image to string, open up its im comma lang is equal to English. Okay, let's run this. Tesseract is not installed. So this was the error yesterday. I was also getting install tester using install available at GitHub. Okay, do we need to install this one? Okay. Okay, man. Let's. Okay, if this is on this one, this is my Linux one. This is the Linux kernel, man. Command line palette. This is the terminal. Runtime terminal. Sign up. Sign up. $11. No, I don't want this. Okay, if it is not also, let me try it in the local machine. Okay. This is how we can use Colab. Okay. And the Google Colab. Google Colab also have some keyboard shortcuts. Okay. You can learn some keyboard shortcuts like Control S. Okay. Saving. Okay. Control F. Not Control F. Alt. File. Okay. So these are the keyboard. Control Shift A. Control Shift A. Select everything. Control A. Okay. Control A. And we have Control O. Control O. This will give you the pop-up to open up the files. Okay. Now Control Save, Control MS, Control P. Control P will print this page. Okay. Control P will print it. Then Control MB, Control MB. Okay, it will insert the new line. Control MB, Control MB. Okay. Now we have um so these are all the shortcuts we have. Apart from that, code snippets we have. So for example, if you have like okay, uh, sudo nothing, you don't find anything here. Obviously, you will see you'll find something, but sudo. And if you write pd, okay, pd, it's a pandas directory. Okay, so if there are something, you will be able to get. Okay, and just place the cursor here, press control space, and you will be able to see some of the this one, and you just hit tab. Okay, you will see that particular function or whatever it is. Okay, this is all about the Google Colab. Okay, which is very good for collaboration and your go-to tool for coding in the cloud. Okay, whether you are a student or a data scientist or just someone who loves to code. And that's all about the Google Colab introduction. And you don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. And if you want to see more exciting tech tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy coding. Bye bye.